Hello everyone, this is Dr. Josephine. Today's video is especially dedicated to all the girls who have completed their MBBS from abroad and want to complete their FMGE. So in this video, I'll be sharing my personal experience of how I cleared this exam despite getting married and also giving birth to my son. So stay tuned to find out more. Immediately after graduating from my university abroad, I got married, and by God's grace, I got conceived also soon. I planned on going to coaching classes that time itself, but I had hyperemesis right from my second month up till my third trimester, so I couldn't even attend the coaching classes during my pregnancy. After my son was 7 months old, my husband and my family members, they encouraged me to pursue my education, but it was really difficult for me to leave him and go. So that is the reason I even joined the coaching classes late. I joined the classes on March 17th, even though the regular batch starts from January 2nd or 3rd. It was already quite late. So I joined the semi-regular batch in Delhi, and after joining this batch, I made sure that I study for almost 15 to 16 hours in a day. I followed the routine of going to the coaching classes, coming back and revising all the notes that were taken on the same day itself, because if we keep piling up the stuff, it gets very difficult to recollect everything from first. And also one tip that has helped me is solving MCQs. Solving MCQs has a very good potential, and it gives you a very good stand as to which subjects you are lacking in and which subjects you need to practice on more. So I solved all the MCQs from a good platform. I also gave mock tests and even the exams, the mock exams, which last for almost 3 years. It gives you the same feel as the main exam, but it is very important to trust on a reliable source. I will be mentioning all the sources that I used in the description below. So do check it out. And for me, it was only 2.5 months time for preparation, because I started in between March and the exam was in first week of June. And trust me, if you dedicate yourself, if you daily practice all the MCQ, if you complete all the portions, this much time is enough. Actually, I didn't even have time to finish all the subjects. Even in the coaching classes, most of the subjects were completed by the time I joined it. The basic subjects such as anatomy, physiology was half completed, pharma was almost done. So I missed out on many subjects, but I made a point that whatever subjects are left out, or whatever subjects I could do it by myself, I did it thoroughly. I have read the content almost 3 to 4 times. So the whole content, whichever I studied, was revised almost 3 to 4 times, and that is how I could complete my FMGE exam. I would like to mention the 5 points which are extremely essential for clearing this examination. As we all know that foreign medical graduates have this fear of the FMGE exam. And firstly, let me tell you that this exam is truly based on your hard work. There is no such factor as luck or anything. The more you work hard, the more chances of you being successful in this examination. So the first point is avoid all the social media. When I went to Delhi for my preparation, due to the short span of time and also due to the extensive portion and the revisions which you have to do to clear this exam, I switched off all the social media, because we cannot afford to waste any time except for our revisions and our studies. So first and foremost, avoid all the social medias and temporarily block everything except for the WhatsApp discussion groups or the Telegram discussion groups. The second most important point is, whatever subjects you finish on the day, revise it on the very same day. Do not leave it on the next day saying I'm very tired today, because if you pile up the things, the today's class and the next day's class is going to be a huge burden for you to revise everything. FMG classes, as we all know, starts early and finish off late. Sometimes it finishes off as late as 8 or 9 o'clock at the night. But whenever you come back, have some rest, have food, and after that just go through all the highlighted points in the class and make sure that you finish off your revision, whichever subjects you had taken, on the very same day. Do not pile it up for the next day. The third most important point is practice MCQs. Until and unless you do not practice MCQs, you do not practice your subject questions, you will not know in which subjects you lack. For example, as for me, it was pharma, micro and physio. So I had to pay special attention and practice more MCQs for these three subjects, and this helped me a lot to clear my doubts and to also brush up all the concepts that were not clear to me. So most important thing is practice your MCQs, give mock tests so that you have a feel of what the actual exam is, so that you have the capacity to sit at a stretch for 3.5 hours, which the exam actually is. So make sure that you practice this right from the beginning, right from the time that you start your coaching, and do not delay it for the last minute saying I'll do it later. So from the very first day you start your preparing for your FMG. Also, side by side, start giving your MCQs as well. The fourth most important point is clear all your doubts. Whatever doubts you have, the subject doubts, sometimes when the teacher teaches you something and you do not understand, make sure that you clear your doubts with your teacher during the break, or also maybe after the class. Or if you're not able to do that, clear the doubts from a very trustful source, so that you do not pile up all these doubts and during the exams your concepts are clear. Make sure that you clear the doubts on time, because there are 19 subjects, there are going to be huge concepts which you have to just mug it up, and it will be difficult for you to revise the last minute if you do not clear your doubts there and then. So make sure that you clear all your doubts during the course of your study. The fifth and the most important point is stay away from all negativity. People always say that FMG is a very difficult exam, the pass rate is only 10 to 15%, and this is what is the fear of all the medical students who are doing their studies abroad. Trust me, if you work very sincerely right from day one, and if you revise all your subjects very well, thoroughly, for at least 3 to 5 times, nothing will stop you from clearing this examination. Stay away from all negativity. Be with a group who has the same aim as you do. Be with a group who encourages all good discussions and also practices the MCQs with you. Be with a group of friends who discusses questions, who engage in discussion of all the concepts which are unclear or some difficult questions. So have a positive mindset and just concentrate well in your preparation. How much ever maximum you can do, give it your best shot, and I'm sure that you will clear this exam. So thank you so much. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.